baby out of the nurse's hands onto the hard floor of day. I'd been wearing OJ's gloves and I couldn't get them off. It was too early, but I couldn't sleep. Showered and dressed and stepped out into the heat. The parrot things on the porch next door announced my arrival on Charter Street with their finest rendition of squealing brakes. Down at Caldy's Cafe, the newspaper headlines promised new revelations about Prince Charles's Amex account. A morose youth in old-time Austrian drag stared past his mustache at the floor. And last night's punks and fetish kids, all tattoos and metal bits. And in the other corner, wearing the white trunks, today's tourists already sweating. Deep in the city of the saints and fools, pearls before pigs and dung become jewels. I sit down with tigers, I sit down with lambs. None of them know who exactly I am. I've got this thing in my heart, I must give it today. It only lives when you give it away. Languid mandala of the ceiling fan,